They are the winners in this category for their excellent implementation of SAP S/4HANA retail merchandise with multiple modules and embedded analytics that has resulted in automated, accurate, and real-time profitability analysis, 50% faster monthly book closure, real-time control over inventory and production planning, and 100% accurate and timely vendor payments. And the winner is Wakefit Innovations Pvt Ltd. Also, congratulations to their implementation partner, Intellect Bizware Services Pvt Ltd.
Hi all, I am Sharad Sodani representing Wakefit Innovations Pvt Ltd. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to SAP India for awarding us ACE 2021 award in the category of Best Financial Transformation. I am glad to receive this award on behalf of entire Wakefit family. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the Wakefit team members, our SAP implementation partner, and SAP India team who all contributed in the successful go-live of S/4HANA at Wakefit. Our journey with SAP S/4HANA started in Jan 2021, and in short span of 3 months, we were live with phase 1 of implementation at all our manufacturing locations with end-to-end financial reporting from SAP. Some of the key benefits which we are able to drive from SAP are full visibility and control over inventory, starting from purchase to manufacturing to final dispatch to our customer across all our locations. Timely and accurate financial reporting to our investors and management. Best-in-class financial control over procure-to-pay cycle. Real-time integration with non-SAP systems like our CRM and website, which are integral part of Wakefit IT landscape. We firmly believe that SAP S/4HANA will be a key contributor in the future exponential growth of Wakefit. Thanks once again for this award.